Before using your Summit Smart Gas Grill, you must pair the grill to the Weber Connect app and update the software. Have your smart device handy and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. To get started, make sure the plugs are connected to the internal power outlet. Then, plug in the grill to your outdoor power source and wait for it to power up. When the touchscreen lights up, the grill is ready for pairing. Select your language and tap the red arrow to continue. Next, you'll see a QR code on the touchscreen. Scan this code with your device to download the Weber Connect app. If you already have the app, scanning the code will open the Weber Connect app on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Grills tab and tap Connect Grill or Device. When your grill is discovered, tap Connect. Then push the knob on the grill to pair. You have 30 seconds to confirm. You'll see a confirmation on the app once the grill is successfully connected. Tap Continue. Next, you'll connect the grill to Wi-Fi. On your device, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Tap Connect. Once the grill is connected to Wi-Fi, you'll need to update the software to be able to operate the grill. The update may take several minutes. The grill touchscreen will show the software update in progress. Do not disconnect the grill from power during the update. You'll see a confirmation on the grill touchscreen when the software update is complete. After that, your grill will reboot and then you can get cooking. Remember to use the Weber Connect app to set your notification preferences, register your grill, browse recipes, and more. For more information, check out our other how-to videos in this series, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.